Hello, beautiful souls. So let's see what are the messages we have today from the fairies deck. What is the guidance basically we have here from the fairies for the day? All right, hidden deaths. So something hidden is about to come to light, perhaps a secret or memory at the back of your mind. When we expose what's hidden, we become free. All right. So, there is some kind of, it can be for very few and specific of you, there was some information which was hidden from you, and now it is going to come to light. And once you have that information, that insight, it will be easy for you to make the decision or come to a conclusion for any particular situation in your life. All right, that is what I'm getting. For some of you, it can be a sudden realization, a sudden awakening of something. Maybe an inner child issue may suddenly pop up in your head, and you will be like, okay, I completely forgot that happened to me ever, and now I need to work on it. Okay, it can be a message suddenly coming. It can be in the form of a dream, it can be in the form of a message, it can be in the form of a movie clip. Okay, it can be in the form of a reel also on Insta or anything, right? So something is about to come to light, and because of that you will have the more clarity on what you need to focus on, what you have to decide and take the next step in your life, uh, uh, for your own highest and greatest good with clarity and confidence. Okay, so that is a message I have for you guys. It's a very beautiful message. So just be aware and be careful about what is going to come and what you need to work on, and claim the positive energy from this reading, guys. This is Mystical Ani. If you have liked this video, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.